My name is Sherita, and I've been trying to conceive probably for about 2 years before I came to McKinney IVF and worked with Dr. Havman. My husband and I had to go through a myomectomy surgery to get rid of some fibroids and hope that would help us conceive, but after trying for about 6 months, we decided to go ahead and seek out fertility treatments. Originally, the treatment that Dr. Havman and I decided to do was IUI based on my history and kind of where I was at. And actually went through 2 different IUIs, which were unfortunately unsuccessful, and that's when we pursued IVF. I actually went through my first IVF with Dr. Havman and unfortunately had a miscarriage, and so the second IVF we were successful. The nurses here at McKinney IVF were extremely helpful with me. I know usually every time you come in, you have to have your blood drawn, and I'm extremely difficult in getting blood out, so they were very helpful and patient in that process, and it just made the whole experience a lot easier for me. And then any questions that I had, they were always open to those questions and didn't make me feel like I was bugging them in any way. The day that I actually found out that I was pregnant, I was waiting for the phone call. I had come in that morning to get my blood drawn and just kind of felt like that it was a yes this time. And so when I actually received the phone call, the nurse at the McKinney office actually told me it's a positive and that my blood levels, HCG pregnancy levels, were pretty high. So I was just extremely excited. I couldn't wait to call my husband and let him know that it was a yes. My son here is Trey. He's actually 2 months old now. And we were excited when he was finally born, enjoyed the whole pregnancy, just was excited because we had worked so hard, and it was finally, the day he was here, and just to see him when he actually arrived was a blessing. We were excited, and I was just so thankful to Dr. Havman and the whole staff at the McKinney office for giving me my son. Working with Dr. Havman and her staff here at McKinney IVF was extremely, overall, a good outcome. I enjoyed going through the experience, and I know that sounds funny because who wants to go through IVF? But because they make it so easy and they're so friendly and like a family, and they really want you to succeed, and you feel that, it makes it a lot better than you ever could imagine. And the fact that Dr. Havman had actually gone through the process really made me feel like she knew that what I needed.